How to order food with vanilla gift card. Ordering food with a vanilla gift card works similarly to using a credit or debit card, but there are some steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Here's how to do it. Visit the Vanilla Gift Card website or call the number on the back of your card to check the card's balance. Ensure the balance is enough to cover your order, including taxes, delivery fees, and tips. Some merchants require the card to be registered with a billing address. Go to the Vanilla Gift Card website and register your card by providing a name and billing address. Select a platform like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, or a restaurant's own website or app. Confirm that they accept prepaid or gift cards. During checkout, select the option to pay with a credit or debit card. Enter the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV code from the back of the card. The card must have enough balance to cover the entire cost of your order. If the balance is insufficient, some platforms allow split payments. Complete the checkout process as usual and place your order. Thanks for watching.